Welcome to the recorded demo video of Advertisement Management System for Jan Suvidha Kendra. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the admin login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting admin login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the advertisement module from the available options. Upon selecting the module, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After clicking the login button, the user will be redirected to the JSK dashboard. The JSK dashboard provides application summaries on the advertisement and market home page, including total applications, approved applications, rejected applications, and pending applications. To apply for an advertisement, select the Apply Advertisement option on the JSK dashboard. Under the Apply Advertisement section, the following options will be displayed: Self-Advertisement, Movable Advertisement, Private Land, Register Agency. To apply for a self-advertisement, select Self-Advertisement under the Apply Advertisement option to access the self-advertisement application form. The user must fill in all the required details in the registration form, including license year, entity ward number, applicant name, installation location, father's name, advertisement category, email, brand display name, residence address, holding number, residence ward number. GST number is optional. Permanent address, permanent ward number, display area in square feet, display type, mobile number, trade license number, Aadhaar number, entity name, entity address. Longitude and latitude are optional fields. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In the next step, the user must upload the required documents, including Aadhaar card, trade license, holding number, GPS coordinates, GST certificate, application form. To upload the Aadhaar document, click on the Choose File button under the Aadhaar card option. To upload the trade license, click on the Choose File button under the Trade License option. To upload the holding, click on the Choose File button under the Holding Number option. To upload the GPS, click on the Choose File button under the GPS option. To upload the GST, click on the Choose File button under the GST option. To upload the application form, click on the Choose File button under the Application Form option. After uploading all the required documents, click the Save and Next button to proceed. Once the application is completed, all the details will be displayed. Tick the I consent checkbox, then click the Submit button to complete the final submission. A confirmation will be displayed indicating that the application has been submitted successfully, along with the application number. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.